Hello, this is nice math problem. X to the power 6 is equal to 144 and we have to find the value of x. So let us start. Solution. The given equation is x to the power 6 is equal to 144. Here x to the power 6 is equal to, we can write this 144 as 12 square. Here x to the power 6 whole power 6 is equal to 12 square whole power 6. In this line we have taken both sides as power 6. We know a math formula which is a to the power m whole power n is equal to a to the power n whole power m. According to this formula, we can write this left side as x to the power 6 whole power x to the power 6 is equal to, here 12 power this 2 times 6 is equal to 12. Here this base x to the power 6, here right side base 12 and left side power x to the power 6 and left side power 12. This base and this base are same and this power and this power are same. So we can write x to the power 6 is equal to 12. Here 6 root x to the power 6 is equal to 6 root 12. Here this 6 root and this power 6 cancel. Here remain x is equal to 12 power 1 over 6. We can write this 6 root this 1 over 6. Therefore x is equal to 12 power 1 over 6 is our final answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.